In a sun-drenched jungle clearing, Mama Parrot watches over her eager fledgling, its bright plumage shimmering in the light. Monkey and Trunk gaze up, their eyes wide with anticipation as Mama Parrot advises. "Watch him closely, Monkey and Trunk. He's very eager but still clumsy." Monkey shouts words of encouragement. "You can do it, little bird. Fly high." Startled by Monkey's loud voice, the baby bird leaps. A fragile baby bird, lost in the dense jungle, flutters perilously close to a massive beehive. Monkey and Trunk spring into action, a flurry of motion against the looming threat. The baby bird veers sharply towards a rushing river. Along the riverbank, Monkey and Trunk push on, their determination unwavering as the baby bird unwittingly heads towards mortal danger. With lightning speed, Trunk grabs a vine and swings into action, intercepting the chick just as it nears the jaws of a lurking crocodile. Working in harmony, Monkey and Trunk guide the baby bird back to a relieved Mama Parrot who exclaims, "You saved my baby! Thank you!"